So the data scientist is considered the sexiest job of the 21st century, which is funny because we have 100 years to get through this century, and we've only just really scratched the surface of what's coming up. Life is changing at an accelerated pace on many fronts, and data science is still coming into its own. Now, we've been talking about majors and minors, and this is no different. The new kid on the block is a data science major. This focuses on the statistics that you need, cleaning your data, doing machine learning models, maybe some neural networks and some deep learning. And it's a good way to get into artificial intelligence because they are very closely aligned. If you're good at data science, it's a hop, skip, and a jump over to artificial intelligence. There's just a lot of overlap, a lot. Now, is it a good major or minor? It's a fairly new degree option, and is it really worth it yet? I don't know. This is something I have only barely looked into because it is so new and it's not offered all that often at various universities, at least here in the United States. Elsewhere in the world, I don't know. I have not focused on other countries as of yet. But here in the US, is it worth it? This may be a good balance for the technical side of artificial intelligence. If it covers the math that you need, the stats that you need, the programming that you need, and basic operations like data cleansing, creating models, and going into production, so maybe some ML ops, then it might be a great interdisciplinary way to get into the field, where you don't have to have all these other minors and select one to be your major. Is it the best way to go? Depends on your career path. Is it a good balance with a cognitive science major, which we'll talk about soon? Maybe. It might be. It depends on what you want to do, where you want to go, and how you want to have impact in the field, or just your career overall. Nobody really cares about the field. They want to make some money and provide for their family, which is great too. Learn or earn. Every job should be doing that. But as a major, is it worth it? I would say it is a great option to consider if you are accepted to a university that offers it, or you should apply to one that offers it if you think it's the best way to go. Now, if it's within a certain field or a certain college within the university, like the business school, maybe. If you want to focus on the business side, that's great. I'm wary of the monetization of AI or even data science, but you have to apply it, and business is the biggest way to apply things. But I think that it is a great thing to consider. You may want to look into it and just list the courses. Does it cover what you want to learn, what you need to learn for your career? If it does, great, do it. Earn some minors if you can. If everything is within a business degree, your options are a lot more limited for double counting or triple counting the courses for other majors and minors. So be wary of that, but don't dismiss it out of hand.